Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your ClickUp account with ease. Whether you're using Google or your work email, I'll walk you through each step to get you started smoothly. This is especially helpful if you're brand new to ClickUp or logging in from a new device. Let's jump right in to begin. Open your preferred web browser. You've likely heard of Google Chrome, Safari, or Firefox, and any of these will work just fine. For the best experience, make sure your browser is updated to the latest version to avoid any compatibility issues. Once your browser is open, head over to the Google search engine. You can do this by simply typing Google in the address bar and hitting Enter. Or, if Google is set as your default homepage, you're already there. In the search bar, type ClickUp and press Enter. You'll see ClickUp's official website listed in the search results. Click on the link that takes you straight to ClickUp's homepage. This is where you can start your login process. Upon landing on ClickUp's homepage, you'll notice a Get Started, It's Free button prominently displayed. Click on this button, and it will direct you to a login or sign up page. This button is key because it allows both existing users to log in and new users to sign up seamlessly from the same page, making it quick to get started no matter your situation. Here comes the convenient part. On the login page, you have two main options to continue logging in. The first option is Continue with Google. Click on this option if you prefer using your Google account credentials for a fast and easy login. This method integrates your Google sign-in information, making it hassle-free since you don't need to remember a separate password. Just ensure that the Google account you want to use is already signed in on your browser. If not, you'll be prompted to enter your Google email and password. The second option available to you is Work Email. If you prefer using your work or business email, click on this option. You will then be asked to enter your email address and password associated with your ClickUp account. Be sure to double-check your entries for any typos to avoid login issues. If it's your first time using ClickUp with your work email, you might initially need to set up a password for future logins. This option is often preferred by teams and organizations that manage access through company email addresses. Once you've chosen your preferred login method and entered the necessary credentials, hit Enter, and you should be directed to your ClickUp dashboard. If everything goes smoothly, you're all set to navigate your workspace, manage projects, and collaborate with your team efficiently. From here, you can start exploring your tasks, lists, and dashboards right away. And that's it. You're now logged into your ClickUp account. It's that simple and easy to get started. If you ever run into login issues, checking your email, password, or browser signing status usually resolves the problem quickly. Thank you for joining me in today's quick and informative session. If you found this helpful, be sure to check out more ClickUp tutorials on the channel for tips on customization, productivity, and workflow optimization. Happy organizing!